तस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपं कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम्। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सगण रघुनाथनीतं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सहगण ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धो दीनबन्धो जगत्पति गोपेशो गोपिकान्तो राधाकान्तो नमस्तुते। तप्त काञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यश्च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमो। नमो महावदान्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्नि गौरतुष्ये नमो। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्त वृंद। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्त वृंद। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। आनंद लीलामय विग्रहाय हेमावदिव्य छवि सुंदराय तस्मै महाप्रेम रस प्रदाय श्री चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते। चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते। चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते। श्री चैतन्य चंद्राय नमः। Srimad Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, most munificent incarnation, who indiscriminately gives Krishna Prema. What is the supreme goal of human life? To get Krishna. It is known as fifth Purusartha, Parama Purusartha, Supreme Purusartha, and fifth Purusartha, above four Purusarthas, Dharma, Artha, Kam, Moksha. Mahaprabhu gives. And Mahaprabhu came here with Krishna himself, but he came as a bhakta, devotee, to teach us devotion, to teach us how to surrender unto Krishna, how to engage ourselves in the loving service of Krishna and give pleasure and happiness to Krishna. That is our teaching. Mahaprabhu came to teach us practically. Mahaprabhu was teaching during his Antya Leela time. He was staying in Jagannath Puri Dham, Purushartha Dham, in Utkala, in Orissa. That was a small room. That room is still now. It is known as Kasi Mishra's house. That is still now. That's known as Gambhira. Those who have gone to Jagannath Puri, they might have seen it. They might have seen it. Yes, still it is now there. Some of the things used by Mahaprabhu were also still there. Famous, most auspicious place. So, Govinda was the servant of Mahaprabhu. Was doing personal service to Mahaprabhu. You understand? After taking prasad, Mahaprabhu takes some rest. And at that time, Govinda used to massage his legs. Then Mahaprabhu sleeps. Then after that, Govinda goes and accepts some remnants left by Mahaprabhu, some prasad. He was serving Mahaprabhu in that way. Once, Mahaprabhu lied down, slept on the threshold, Dwarbandha is a threshold, doorstep of that small room. The small door is there, left there. And Govinda came to massage his leg and requested, you please, just turn your side, let me go inside the room and I'll massage your leg. Please, please. I'm very tired. I cannot turn this side. You do as you like or don't do. I cannot. I'm very tired. Wonderful Leela, Mahaprabhu's Leela. Slept there. Then Govinda thought of what to do. How can I do my service? This is my service for his pleasure, to give him pleasure. I must massage his leg. How can I go to the other side of the room? Then I can massage. So he thought of, Krishna gives intelligence. Tesang sattajuktanang vadatang pritipurvakam dadami buddhi jogam tam jena mang upajanti te. 10th chapter Bhagavad Gita says, Tesang sattajuktanang vadatang pritipurvakam dadami buddhi jogam tam jena mang upajanti te. One who is constantly sattajuktanam, constantly attached to me, and doing my bhajan with the priti, with the love. With love. Bhadatam priti purvakam. Dadami buddhi jogam. I give him intelligence. I give him intelligence. That pure intelligence comes from Krishna. Isn't it? Pure intelligence comes from Krishna. Material intelligence is impure intelligence. And we are very puffed up our material intelligence. You understand? Impure intelligence. Huh? You understand? Avisuddha buddhaya. Huh? Je अन्ये अरविंदाख्ये विमुक्त मानिनस तयस्तभाव अविशुद्ध बुद्धय आरुह्य कृष्णेन परम पदं तद पदं यध अनादृत जुष्मदंग्रय. 10th canto, Srimad Bhagavatam. It is said, Anya means those who are not constantly attached to the lotus feet of Krishna, means non-devotees. You understand? Others, those are not devotees. Those who are not constantly attached to the lotus feet of Krishna and not doing the bhajan with the treaty love. Arabindakya vimuktamanyastayastvabhavad avisuddha buddhaya. The Jnanis. The Jnanis. Do you understand? They think themselves, oh, I am Narayana now. I am now Narayana. Do you understand? They want to merge into the Supreme Lord or merge into Brahman. You understand? It's Abhisuddha Buddhaya. Their intelligence is impure intelligence. Avisuddha Buddhaya. Aruhya Krishna param padam tata padanyodha. Very painful and very, what to say, painful sadhana they do. Klesakara sadhana. Very painful. Do you understand? Krishna sadhana, we say Krishna sadhana. Very severe austerities, penance, and very painful to merge into Brahman. But what happened to them? Some of them, not all, go there. Some of them go there. And they cannot stay there. Because that is not the place of shelter. Patanti adha. They fall down. Huh? They fall down. Because that is not the place of shelter. Only place of shelter is lotus feet of Krishna. Krishna's lotus feet is the only place of shelter. Nobody falls from it. Na tavaka kuchid vrasyanti. Next verse says. Maharaj. Na tavaka kuchid vrasyanti. Oh Lord, those who have taken shelter at your lotus feet, they never fall down. Where is fall down? Clearly says. Kuchid vrasyanti, no fall down. That is the shelter. You understand? Na tavaka kuchid vrasyanti. You understand? Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, lotus feet of Krishna is such a place. Abhaya Ashoka Amrutera Sthala Tomar Choron Doya. Tahate Ekono Visram Labya Sarinu Bhober Bhoya. Oh Lord, your lotus feet is such a place. There is no fear, no lamentation, no death. Amruta. Only nectar is there. Only nectar means deathlessness is Amrita. No death. Tahate kono visram labhya sarinu bhober bhoya. Now I'm taking complete shelter there. I am free from all fears, all lamentations, all anxiety now. I'm happy now. No question of boy. You understand? So, nobody falls from that. Was taken shelter. Constantly attached to the lotus feet of Krishna. No question of fall down. You understand? Tesang sattva-juktanang bhadatang pritipurvakam dadami buddhi yogam tamjena mang padanti te. Krishna says, those who are constantly attached to me, constantly attached to my lotus feet, doing my bhajan with love, I give him intelligence, pure intelligence. How he will come to me? Pure intelligence. So who is constantly attached? The lotus feet of Krishna. Not deviates, even for one moment. The moment you deviate, that the most dangerous moment, you should understand. Most dangerous moment. You deviate from the lotus feet of Krishna. Yes, most dangerous moment. Yes, Maya is just watching that moment when you deviate from the lotus feet. Hey, Maya grab you. Yes, most dangerous moment. You understand? So they never fall down. Mm. So Govinda thought of what shall I do? Huh? He's not turning side. How can I do my service? Huh? His service is meant for his pleasure, not for my pleasure, for his pleasure, satisfaction. So Krishna gave the intelligence. Huh? Krishna gave the intelligence. So he put his chadar over his body, Mahaprabhu's body, and jumped over and went to the other side and massaged the leg. Do you understand? Then Mahaprabhu had a nice sleep. Do you understand? After 1.5 hours or 2 hours, he woke up and Govinda was still sitting there and messaging and not gone and had not taken his food. I said, hey, have you taken your food, Prasad? No. Why didn't you? Why have you not taken? Yes. How can I? You are lying there on the threshold. How can I go and take? Prasad? How to come to this side? Huh? When you have come to this side in that way, you might have gone. Why didn't you go? I came to this side to do service to you for your pleasure. You understand? To massage your leg. Why shall I go and just jump over your body again to give food to my stomach for my enjoyment? It's not meant for that. Do you follow? What is the teaching here? Huh? What is the teaching here? Yes, one should understand. Service is meant for the pleasure of Guru and Gauranga. Krishna, not for our pleasure. Huh? Don't mean, huh? It is not meant for our pleasure. Yes, it gives me pleasure, I like it, then I'll do. No, I don't like it. It's very unfavorable for me. Huh? It gives me so much distress. Huh? I'll commit offense. Huh? You understand? I was saying that thing. Huh? Another Leela, Krishna manifested, fell sick, high fever, shivering. Oh, Narada Muni came. Huh? Oh, what had happened? Oh, high fever. Oh, fever, all right, let me get some medicine for you. Huh? Narada Muni, no medicine is there. No. No medicine in this material medicine, whatever is available, will never work in this body. One medicine is there. Yes, what is that medicine? If you just approach some of my dear devotees, mercifully they give some, or he gives some, or she gives some dust from his lotus feet. I'll smear, that is medicine. I'll smear, then I'll be cured. Oh, yes, it is available. In Dwarka it is available because 16,000 wives are there. Now, Krishna had Rukmini, Satyabhama, Jambavati. Huh? They are serving Krishna, giving him pleasure, satisfaction. Why don't they do? Huh? Narada Muni approached Satyabhama, this is Rukmini, Satyabhama, Jambavati. Will you please give some dust? Huh? Isn't it? That Krishna will be cured, high fever. What? What are you saying, Narada Muni? Our worshipable husband, Lord, will give dust from the lotus feet, shall go to hell. Huh? They didn't give. You understand? They didn't give. What sort of love it is? Huh? Their love is not pure love. You understand? They want something for their own pleasure. They want pleasure. of Krishna. Yes. At the same time, for something for them. Yes. So they hesitated. No, 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 no. You understand? That's love is mixed love. Misrita priti. Rati. Mixed with jnana. Aishwarya. Jnana Aishwarya. Jahan jnana Aishwarya priti sankuchita. You understand? When it is mixed with jnana Aishwarya, love is shrunken. Is kevala priti prem. No mixture of jnana Aishwarya. It's pure love. Pure love. Do you understand? Gopis, headed by Radharani, they have pure love. No mixture of jnana and Aishwarya. You understand? So Narada Muni became disappointed. Yes, couldn't get. So, Morash Narada Muni was no Morash. Krishna could understand. He understands everything, he knows everything. Then Narada Muni said, all right, Narada Muni, you may go to Rajabhumi and try there, if you can get it. So he went there. Gopis were always feeling pangs of separation from Krishna, isn't it? Pangs of separation from Krishna, always feel. Oh, Krishna said he would come. Not coming, not coming. Always, always, every moment they are thinking of Krishna. It's pure love. You understand? Pure love. Always thinking of Krishna, always thinking. See, someplace, oh, Krishna had lifted Govardhan hill here. Oh, Krishna had danced on the hood of Kaliyo here. Huh? Oh, Mother Jasoda had bound him up here. Huh? Oh, Krishna had broken that cart here. Huh? Oh, Krishna had stolen our garment here. Every place, looking, thinking of Krishna. Yes, this Krishna realized that. Always day and night, 24 hours, thinking. Huh? And given up everything. Eating and sleeping. They have given up everything. Do you understand? No eating, no sleeping. Become skinny. Do you understand? Yes. Become skinny. But such love, you see. So they ran. Narada Muni knows the message. He can give the message of three worlds. Even Vaikuntha world and this world also. He knows. Narada Muni travels everywhere. Material world and spiritual world, he knows everything. Then Narada Muni said, Krishna is very, very sick. Very, very sick. High fever, shivering. I have come to you. You have medicine. Yes, what medicine we have? If someone of you kindly give some dust from your feet, that is medicine for Krishna. He said, you smear the dust on his body and you will cure. Oh, this medicine. All right. They made computation. Some gopi said, yeah, Narada Muni, take from me. No, Narada Muni, take from me. No, Narada Muni, take. How many bags have you brought? How many bags have you brought? Take. By giving dust, if you commit such offense, we have to go to hell and suffer there forever. Let us go. Let our Krishna be happy. Do you understand? Let our Krishna be happy. Let us suffer and give happiness to Krishna. Jasmin tuste jagat pusta. Jasmin tuste jagat pusta. If Krishna will be happy, Krishna will be pleased, Krishna will be satisfied, whole world will be satisfied because he is source of the creation, isn't it? They didn't hesitate. Do you understand? That is pure love. Huh? Gopis. Uddhava, a dear devotee. You understand? Uddhava is a dear devotee of Krishna. Na tatha me priyatama atmajunir na shankara na sankarsana na srir naivatma jatha bhavan. Huh? Krishna says this thing. Atmajani, Brahma is not so dear to me. Sankara, Shivaji is not so dear to me. No Sankarsana. Sankarsana is not so dear to me. Sri, Lakshmiji, not so dear to me. Naivatma. I myself is not so dear to me. Do you follow? Jatha Bhavan, as you are dear. Do you understand? This is reciprocal. Do you understand? Priti, Prema is not one-sided. Huh? Is it one-sided? Huh? Will you love this wall? I love this wall. It's reciprocal. If you want to love, develop love for love Krishna. Krishna is the only object of love. Pritir Bishoy. Do you understand? Pritir Bishoy. Ah. And all of those are Pritir Asroy. Bishoy Tattva, Asroy Tattva. Is Tattva. Do you follow my language? Lover, beloved. It's question of lover and beloved. It's question of reciprocation. Reciprocation is not one-sided. As gopis, huh, are always thinking of Krishna. Day and night, 24 hours. And Radharani says, oh, I'll die. I cannot survive. I cannot survive. I'll die. I cannot see the beautiful face of my dear Lord of the heart, Krishna. Do you understand? What do you say, beloved or lover? What do you say? Beloved, I cannot see. Even, all right, at the waking state, if I may not see, but if sleeping state, in dream I may see. But this sleep has developed enmity with me. Sleep is not coming to me. The sleep has developed enmity to me. Do you understand my language? So how can I dream and in dream I can see his place? Face, lotus face. Huh? Nidra Hari. Huh? I'll die. Do you understand? Such love. Day and night, 24 hours, thinking. Similarly, Krishna is also thinking, because this is reciprocal. Krishna in Dwaraka, huh? King there. 16,000 wives are there. Huh? Rukmini, Satyabhama, Jambavati, serving 16. Every queen, his king and his queen, has her separate palace. And everywhere Krishna is present, isn't it? He had expanded himself. 16,000. Do you understand? He satisfies 16,000 wives. You cannot satisfy one wife. Very difficult to satisfy one wife. Do you understand? He satisfies 16,000 wives. And he is present with every wife. Isn't it that Narada Muni saw that? Isn't it? Because he is Bhagavan. He can do. How we can do this thing? So, Krishna was thinking of gopis Radha. Sometimes sleeping, dreaming, Radhe, 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 Gopi, Gopi. Hey, what that Radhe, Radhe, Gopi, Gopi? Rukmini thinks, Satyabhama thinks, who is that Radha? Who is that Gopi? We are taking so much care, utmost care, giving us so much pleasure, thinking Radhe, Radhe, Gopi, Gopi. Who is that? This is reciprocal love. As gopis are thinking, Radharani is thinking, Krishna is also thinking. What to do? Gopis cannot come here and Krishna cannot go there. What shall be done? What shall be done? Pangs of separation? What is relief? Means send the message of love to them. Isn't it? Send the message of love. Do you understand? So who will carry such a message of love? Unless he is such a dear Huh? Devotee, very intimate. How can he carry such message of love? So he called Uddhava. Huh? Do you understand? He called Uddhava. Na tatha me priyatama atmajo nir na shankara. Na sankarsana. Huh? Na srir naivatma jatha bhavan. Uddhava. The Brahma is not so dear to me. Shiva is not so dear to me. Sankarsana is not so dear to me. Lakshmiji is not so dear to me. Atma, I myself is not so dear to me as you are dear. Calling him. Uddhava, come. Calling. Sitting beside him. Taking his hand. Telling you this thing. Gathadhava Brajabhumi. Uddhava, go to Brajabhumi. Take this message of love and please deliver them. Let them get some relief and I also get some relief. Yeah. Yes, such intimate person is required. Other will take this message of love and deliver them. You understand? Uddhava thought of, oh, what love they have developed for Krishna, and Krishna is day and night thinking of them. Uddhava was a devotee, very dear devotee, but his devotion is mixed. It was mixed first at that time. That is another purpose of sending Uddhava to Brajabhumi. Let him go and associate with gopis and see the pure love. No mixture of Jnana and Aishwarya. That is another purpose. Do you follow Maharaj? Huh? So, Uddhava, this Uddhava Sandesh. In 10th canto it is mentioned. And also Rupa Goswami has written a kavya, is Uddhava Sandesh also. Similarly, gopis also. Yeah? They are sending message of love to Krishna. You understand? Message of love to Krishna. They send message of love to Krishna through Hansa. The Hansa Dutta Kavya. And another Kavya Rupa Goswami has written his own Hansa Dutta. Uddhava Sandesh, Hansa Dutta. Do you follow me? Those are the devotees that can understand. And I don't know why this thing is coming out. I had thought of to speak something else. Now it came coming out. I don't know why it is coming out. Topic is departed now. Why it is so, I don't know. Because my mind is not my mind. I thought of something and it's coming out something else. Anyhow, what is coming out, what pleases Krishna, I don't know. It's for his pleasure. Do you understand? This is Hansadutta and Uddhava Sandesh and Hansadutta. They follow. There's exchange of message of love, sending. So Uddhava went and saw. Uddhava was in mixed, I said, mixture of Gyan is there. Huh? Then he first went to Nanda Maharaj, then Jasoda Mata. Huh? They were also Moorish, always thinking of Krishna. They are Vasalya Priti, Vasalya Prem. Huh? He consoled Nanda Maharaj. Krishna is Supreme Personality of Godhead. He is everywhere. Huh? He is everywhere. Huh? Why are you lamenting? Do you understand? Why are you lamenting? What are you saying? Uddhava, he is my son. He is my son. Let your Krishna be Ishvara, but he is my son. Do you understand? Pure love. Sudha Vasalya Ishvara Jnana nahi tar. Do you follow my language? Huh? This is from Chaitanya Charitamrita. Sudha Vasalya Ishvara Jnana nahi tar. It's Sudha Vasalya. Pure Vasalya Priti. Do you follow my language? Huh? No? Help him. Help him. Pure Vasalya Priti. What is English? What is it?
Pure parental love.
Pure parental love. All right. Try to understand. Krishna will help you. Krishna will help you. Do you understand? Sudha Vatsala Iswara Gyan nahi tha. It's Sudha Vatsala, pure love. They forget. This is Jogamaya's activity. Do you understand? If they'll think as Bhagavan, then there'll be awe and reverence. Do you understand? Awe and reverence. Sudha Vatsala, pure. No such awe and reverence. My son. Oh, Dhava, let your Krishna be Bhagavan. Parameswara, let him be whoever is my son. Let my mind be always attached to him. He said that. Huh? Then he went to Jasoda Mata. Same thing. Jasoda Mata was feeling pangs of separation. Beloved, her beloved son, isn't it? Huh? Dear son. Now thou said same thing. Jasoda Mata. Why are you lamenting? Krishna is supreme personality. Godhead is everywhere. Huh? What are you saying, Uddhava? He is my son. I have prepared this nice bed for him, prepared this nice food for him, huh? Varieties of food, varieties of garment. For whom? For whom? All for my son, for his enjoyment, for his pleasure. He is not now here. Who will use all these things? Huh? Trajya chopanishadvi cho sankhya yogai cho sattvari upagiyamanang haring samanyatatmajang. 10th canto, Bhagavatam. Trajya chopanishadvi cho sankhya yogai cho sattvari samanyatatmajang. That Lord Hari, that Lord Krishna, whose glory is described in Vedas, in Upanishads, Trajya, 3 Vedas, Upanishads. Do you understand? Sankhya Yogi, those are Sankhya Yogis. They cultivate Sankhya, that is Sankhya Alocana, to understand him. Satyadehi, those who are devotees, they offer prayers to him. Jasoda Gopi says, he is my son. He is my son. Samanyata Atmajam. Parikshit Maharaj was hearing Sukadeva Goswami was saying. Parikshit Maharaj asked, oh, Sukadeva Goswami, oh, Bhagyo, what fortune they have, Nanda Maharaj and Jasoda Mata. Jasoda Mahabhaga, Papojasya Stanam Hari. Such fortunate is Jasoda. Lord Hari sought to her breast. What good fortune, what tapasya they have done. Do you understand? Pure Suddha Vasalya, pure parental love. Ishwar is unmixed. Do you understand? And Uddhava saw all these things. They are thinking, what love for Krishna. Day and night, every moment, not forgetting, thinking of Krishna. I have no such love. Just condemning himself. Then he at last went to the gopis. Krishna has given letter for the message to deliver them. Do you understand? And saw the gopis. Day and night thinking becomes skinny. Given up eating, given up sleeping. Given up eating, given up sleeping. Looking at every spot. Remembering Krishna's pastimes. Krishna has done this thing here. Krishna has done this thing here. Krishna has done this. Oh, so love. What love they have developed. Krishna. They have broken all Vedic barriers. All Vedic etiquette. Isn't it? For Krishna. They are running at dead of night to jungle of Vrindavan, hearing the flute of Krishna. What love? Then his consciousness is completely changed. He condemned himself. Oh, I was thinking of, I know Krishna. I know Krishna. I know very well. But I have no such love for Krishna because his bhakti, is, love is mixed with jnana and aishwarya, jnana, sapriti sankuchita. Then his eyes now wide open and conscious. How can I develop such love for Krishna? Unless I develop such love for Krishna, my life is useless. What shall I develop? What shall I do? Somehow or other, if I get some dust from the lotus feet of Krishna, I will say, the gopis, then my life will be successful. You understand? If I beg, oh, gopis, please give some dust, they won't give me. They won't give me. Huh? Will they give? They won't give me. So what shall I do? Asama charana renu jusama hasam brindavane kimapi gurma latu sadhinang jadustya sujana arjya pathancha hitva bhijar mukunda padavi sudhi vimurugyam. 10th canto. This Uddhava says, Asamaha sarana renu jusama hasam brindavane kimapi gurma latu sadhinang. If I'll become a grass here in Vrindavan, jungle of Vrindavan, or a medicinal herb, or a creeper here, I'll get opportunity, some chance to get the dust from the lotus feet of gopis. Because feeling pangs of separation, they come here and wander here. By chance their feet will touch me. By chance their feet will touch me, then my life will be successful. I'll get some dust from feet of gopis. Asamahat sarana renu jusamahasam brindhavane kimapi gurmalatu sadinam jadustya sodanang arja padhancha hitva bhejur mukunda padapi sudhi vimrugya. What they have not done for Krishna bhajan, loving bhajan, what is very difficult to give up. They give up. The family tie. Durjaya Srugruha Srinkhala. Krishna said, Durjaya Griha Srinkhala. This Griha Srinkhala, the family tie, is very difficult to break. Manubhai, very difficult to break. Durjaya Griha. But they broke it. Isn't it? They broke it. Jadustya solanang arja padhancha hitva. They gave up. Dead of night, they ran. They ran to the jungle of Vrindavan, hearing the singing of flute of Krishna. Do you understand? I have not developed such love. When this question of love is there, all Vedic barriers, etiquettes are broken. Do you understand? Lord Ram has not done so. Sita Devi has not done so. Isn't it? Marjada Purusartha Lord Ram. Very strictly follow Ved Marjada. Do you understand? I was saying that day. I'm not repeating it. And Sita Devi was that. But gopis, they broke. Do you understand? They broke. Dadastya sujana arja pathancha hitva bhutva niseve tava pada pallav. Do you understand? So if I get dust from the lotus feet of gopis, then I can develop such love for Krishna. So gopis' love is topmost love. Do you understand? And Krishna is mad after it. Krishna is mad after it. Radha Prem. Because Radharani is the chief of gopis. Do you understand? Radha Prem. And Krishna has assumed that he becomes mad. Can you conceive this thing? Krishna will become mad? Maharaj? Krishna becomes mad? Acha? How? How do you substantiate it? Can you tell me something? How Krishna has become mad? Yes? That is not madness. That is Mahaprabhu.
In the Gambhir, he's grinding his face against the stone wall.
No, I say Krishna. He is Mahaprabhu. He is Mahaprabhu Leela. In Krishna Leela, how he has become mad. Do you understand? For Radharani. Do you understand? Radha Prema Guru Ami Sisyo Noto. Soda Ami Nachaye Nana Nritya Udbhata. Krishna says this thing. Radharani is my guru in loving affairs. I am his Sisya, disciple. Do you understand? And she makes me dance as she likes. Sodami Nana Nritya Nachaye Udbhata. In Chaitanya Charitamrita. Do you understand? So, this is Guru Tattva. The topmost position of Guru is Radharani. Do you understand? For whom Krishna becomes mad. And Krishna says, Radha Prema Guru Ami Sisyo Noto. Soda Ami Nana Nritya Nachaye Udbhata. She makes me dance as she likes. As Guru makes the disciple dance. Isn't it? Yes. Similarly. Now what he is not doing? What he is not doing? Krishna is a mad fellow. Huh? It is impossible that Krishna will become mad. Will become mad. Anybody can become mad. How Krishna will become mad? This is Radha Prema makes Krishna mad. The Radharani has this is her mother-in-law and sister-in-law, Jatira Kutira. Do you understand? Always chastising Radharani. Always chastising. Yeah, this wicked fellow, son of Nanda Maharaj, doing all nonsense, no sense. Oh, get out here. Do you understand? But Krishna is so mad after Radharani. He spends the whole night behind the berry tree in the courtyard of Radharani. Whole night spends there, hiding. Because Jatira, I will see, chastise, hiding behind berry tree and spending whole night. If Radharani will come out, I'll have a glance of her face. He's not a madman. He's not a madman. Spending whole night behind berry tree and the courtyard of Radharani. Huh? Sometimes see, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur has mentioned this thing. Sometimes Krishna puts on a sari. Do you understand? And disgust. Puts on a sari and goes there to Radharani, doorstep of Radharani, as the wife of a barber, barber's wife. Radharani, I have brought very nice alta, a red stuff that put here. Kumkum you put here. Alta, they put here. Isn't it? Yes, they know. You don't know, they know. And barber's wife generally puts it. Isn't it, mother? Huh? Yes. Comes and puts altar, red stuff. Very nice scented altar, Radharani. I have brought for you. Please come. Let me put on your feet. Is not a madman. Not a madman. Sometimes also Krishna goes there as the wife of a washerman. I'll clean your sari, Radharani. Please give me your sari. Garments, I'll please it very nice. Sun white or snow white. Snow white. Isn't it? Is not a madman. Anyhow, get some darshan of Radharani, touch of her body. Huh? Do you understand? Sometimes also goes as the wife of a malakar, mali, gardener. Do you understand? making nice flowers, garlands, scented. Do you understand? Varieties of scented flowers, making garlands. Radharani, I have brought very nice flower garland for you. Please come. I'll put some garlands around your neck. Not a madman. Huh? Not a madman. Huh? When Radharani takes her bath in Jamuna, you understand? At the same time, Krishna goes there and takes his bath there. Radharani takes his bath in upstream, and Krishna takes his bath downstream. Do you follow my language? Radharani takes her bath in upstream, and Krishna takes bath in downstream. Because taking bath, some kumkum, some flower there, and her braid will float on the river current and touch my body. Is not a madman. Do you understand, Maharaj? This is madness of. I am asking that Maharaj. That Maharaj, you came late. I had put that question to that Maharaj. So I am asking him. Do you understand, Maharaj, now? How mad is Krishna? Radha Prem makes Krishna mad. Do you understand? Radha Prem makes Krishna mad. So Mahaprabhu is giving that Prem. Huh? You are taking marijuana, LSD, becoming mad. Huh? Huh? Mahaprabhu said, all right, I have gotten some. That will make you mad. It's better madness, best mad type of madness. Come. Do you understand? Taking liquor, 24-hour liquor, cold wine, big billboards, 24-hour open. Huh? Stupid mind prompts you. Go there and drink it and become mad. Think, I am Indra now. But Mahaprabhu came. All right, you want to become mad? All right, I'll make you mad. Do you understand? I have some liquor. Yes, that is Krishna Prema Rasa. It's mellow of Krishna Prema. Drink it, nectar, and become mad. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Huh? You are going to the club, nude club. You have nude clubs here. It's a nude club. The nude boys and girls dancing. Becoming intoxicated. Musical instruments were there also. Isn't it? Singing is there also. Dancing is there also. Three things. It's Taurjatrika. Three things we say Taurjatrika. Taurjatrika means Gana, Vadya, Nritya. Do you follow? Singing, playing musical instruments, and dancing. Do you follow? So there, you are doing this thing. And Mahaprabhu is very intelligent. All right. You'll do this thing. Mahaprabhu gives you sugar-coated quinine. You are a diseased person. Bhavarogi. Bhavarogi. Do you follow my language? Yes. Diseased person, jaundice. Diseased person. Manu Bhai is a diseased person. So, malaria. So, quinine is required, but it is very bitter. Do you understand? The child, small child, has been affected by malaria. So bitter thing you will never taste it. Do you understand? Mother wants to give him the medicine. What is she does? She gives a sugar coating over quinine and gives it. Oh my darling, open your mouth. Nice, nice. Open your mouth. Nice. Taste it. Very nice. Yes. First taste is very nice, sweet. Swallow it, swallow it. I give some water, swallow it. And this the mother gives. Then child becomes cured of the malaria. Similarly, Mahaprabhu gives sugar-coated quinine to us. All right. You want to be mad? You want to dance? You want to play musical instrument? And you want to sing? All right, come. Huh? Dance, sing, huh? And play musical instrument and become mad. We have four kartar, huh? Singing and dancing and becoming mad. Huh? This mad is required. Madness is required. Madness for Krishna. That is the highest perfection of human birth. Huh? Do you understand? And this human birth is meant for this thing. Labdva sudullavayidam bahusambhavanti manusyam arthadam anityam api hadira turnam jatetana patedana mrityu javat nisraya saya visaya khadu sarvatasya. 11th canto Bhagavatam says. Srimad Bhagavatam pramana mamalam Prema Pumurtha Mahan Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Matavidam Tatradara Napar. My hand kerchief. Do you understand? Labdha Sudulavidam Bahusambhavante Manusyam Arthadam Apiyadhi. Manityam Apiyadhira. Turnam Jatetana Patedana Mrityu Javat Nisraya Saya Visaya Khadu Sarvatrasya. Go and bring. Do you understand? After undergoing lakhs of species of life, one gets this human birth which is rarely achieved. Durlabham. Durlabham. What is the purpose of this human birth which is achieved, rarely achieved? Manusyam marthada manityam api adhira. Do you understand? It is arthada. Arthada means Supreme Purusartha, fifth Purusartha. This is Krishna Prema Bhakti. Do you understand? Which is above Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. These are known as four Purusarthas. And above this, fifth one is Krishna Prema Bhakti. Do you understand? That is Panchama Purusartha, fifth Purusartha, and Parama Purusartha, Supreme Purusartha. And this human birth is meant for it, for the achievement of that Prema Purusartha. Do you understand? Krishna Prema Bhakti, to get Krishna. And they say, but this is temporary, short. Any moment this body may finish, isn't it? Is there a guarantee? You don't know what will take place the next moment. Do you know? Kezane kahara aaj mustaqal hij upasthita. Who knows that today death will come? Yes, isn't it? Today death will come. Next moment may come. Yes, who knows? Just getting out of the road may come, isn't it? It's taking place also. Such uncertainty is there, isn't it? Though this is rarely achieved birth, human birth, still very short, uncertain. Any moment it can be finished. Do you understand? Death may come. So, but a chance has been given, opportunity has been given to achieve this supreme Purusartha, Krishna Prem Bhakti, and get Krishna in this life, not in other birth. Not in other birth. Do you understand? Yes, only. Therefore, Manusyam Janamam Durlabham. Do you understand? The Manusya Janamam, the human birth is rarely achieved, not demigods birth. The Manusya Janamam. Do you understand? So one should understand. What is the purpose or the goal of my life? I must achieve in this very life. Be determined like Dhruva. Dhruva Maharaj, 5-year-old boy. But he was very determined. No, I must meet Lord Narayana. Yeah? So determined. Drudha Vrata Bhajanti Man. Isn't it? Drudha Vrata Bhajanti Man. One is very determined, strong, unflinching, not shaking at all, not shaking, unshakable. Only he can do bhajan. Otherwise, Maya is always trying to shake you, to break you. Huh? You are not strong. How can do something? Develop this conception. They have developed mostly. All right, if not in this life, next life I'll get. What certainty is there? Then guarantee that next life will get human birth. Bharat Maharaj is not an ordinary being. Huh? Are you like that? Bharat Maharaj? Who was a king, gave up his kingdom, everything, came to Pulasthya ashram, stayed there with sadhus, do you understand? Did bhajan kirtan, developed some advancement, made some advancement. Still, he developed attachment to a deer. At the time of death, he thought of deer instead of thinking of Supreme Lord and got the deer's body. Isn't it? Huh? You see? So what guarantee is that he will get the human body? Huh? Janjam vapi smaram bhavam tirtyante kalevaram. Tantam yebeti kaunteya sada tadabhava bhavita. Huh? Isn't it? Janjam vapi smaram bhavam tirtyante kalevaram. Tantam yebeti kaunteya sada tadabhava bhavita. At the time of death, what thought comes, then next body will be like that. Isn't it? Isn't it? Huh? Gita says, isn't it? Example is Bharat Maharaj. He thought of the deer and got the deer body. He had to undergo 3 bars, such an exalted personality. Isn't it? And 3rd birth he got, became Jada Bharat. Huh? Isn't it? Mang eva smarmukta kalevaram jo prayati samadbhavam jati nastyatra sansaya. Huh? At the time of quitting this body, means death, if someone thinks of me, utters my name, then he comes to me, no doubt. You understand? Ha Krishna boli jau jiva. That is our prayer. At the time of death, how can I utter your name, O Krishna, and quit this body? Huh? You didn't? That is Golab. Ante Narayana Smriti. Edavan Sankhya Yogabhyam Swadharma Parinishthaya Janmalava Parapusang Ante Narayana Smriti. 2nd canto Bhagavatam says. Isn't it? Why don't you say yes? Alas, what shall I do? No reciprocation. I'm disappointed. 2nd canto Bhagavatam says, huh? Edavan Sankhya Yogabhyam Swadharma Parinishthaya Janmalabha Parapunsang Ante Narayana Smriti. That is the success of human birth. Do you understand? If you can utter or think of Lord Narayana, Krishna at the time of death, quitting this body, then it is to be understood you have achieved success. Otherwise, failure. Huh? Throughout whole life. Some may be doing yoga sadhana, mystic yoga sadhana, sankhya. Some may be doing sankhya alotana, analytical study. Huh? Sankhya yoga, swadharma parinishthaya. One is karmi is always engaged in doing duty. Huh? Very faithfully serves. Faithful servant of Maya. Yeah. Faithful servant of Maya. Yeah. Isn't it? And they have this motto. Huh? Duty is God. Karmis are made. Duty is God. You know, what is the duty? Hai Baba. Huh? Duty, duty, duty. Sodharma parinishthaya. Very faithfully serving Maya. Very dutiful. But if you cannot think of Lord Narayana or Krishna at the time of death, then you are a failure. Your human life is completely spoiled. Huh? Janmalava parapunsang ante Narayana smriti. How can it be? Huh? All right, I'll think of Krishna Narayana when death will come. Do you know when death will come? So uncertainty is there. Any moment it may come. Huh? If you are not thinking, therefore say, Manmanava, always think of me, always put me in the mind. Krishna says, the gopis up day and night, 24 hours, every moment thinking of this question of love. Otherwise, how can I put? Huh? One is attached to his family members, to his wife, to his children, to his sons, daughters, has become old and thinking of, and lying on deathbed, thinking of. Katham jivanti mamruta. I am dying. How can they survive? Who will take care of them? My wife, my son, my daughter. Katham jivanti mamruta. I am going to die. How can they survive? Just thinking this thing and dies. Andham visanti went. He goes to a narka, hell, known as andha tamasi. Such a person goes to hell. Yes, isn't it? Bhagavatam says. Huh? Some pramanamamala spotless proof is Bhagavatam. Thinking of his family, thinking of his wife, children, katham jivanti. Oh, how can they, anatha, they will become unprotected. How can they survive, live? I am dying. Thinking of them and dies. Then goes to hell named Andhatamasi. Such hell, he goes there and suffer there. Only goal is to think of Krishna. Mangeva smurta kalebram japrayati samata bhavam jati nastyatra sansaya. There's no doubt in it. Yeah. Huh? The time of death, one thinks of me, utters my name, goes to me, no doubt is there. So do you think, can anybody do? Time of death is very, very painful, isn't it? You understand? Prana payana samaye kapavata pite kantavarodhana vidau bhadanam kutaste. Krishna tadiya padapankaja panjaranta madhaiva visatu me manasa raja hansa. Prana prayana samaye kapavata pite kantavarodhana vidau bhadanam kutaste. Huh? Purasekara. Do you understand? Mukunda Maharaj Stotra, isn't it? Huh? Oh, Krishna. Let my mind. Do you understand? Do you understand? Manasa Raja Hansa. Swan-like mind. Do you understand? Swan, Hansa. Swan generally swims there. That pond where there is lotus flower and lotus tail, isn't it? It eats lotus tail, always lives there. Huh? Let my mind, oh Krishna. Your feet is lotus feet, isn't it? And my mind is the swan, swan-like mind. Let my swan-like mind always stick to your lotus feet. Do you understand? Always stick to your lotus feet. Krishna tadiya padapankada panjarante madhaiva visatu me manasa radhams prana payana samayi kaphavata viti kantavarodhanu vidhu bhajanam kutasti. At the time of pran prayan, at the time of quitting this body, death, kapho vato pito, cough, bile and air will choke up my throat, kantha gurgurayate. Hey, give some water. Water is not going. It's choked up. It's choked up, isn't it? Huh? Isn't it? Have you seen any man die? You have not seen. Oh. Kantha gurgurayate, isn't it? Water is not passing. Unconscious, coma stage, isn't it? Coma stage. Unconscious, cannot recognize. His son comes, his friend comes, his daughter comes, his son-in-law comes. That old man cannot recognize. Unconscious. Kantha gurgurayate. How can I think, utter name of Krishna, think of Krishna? Kulasekhar Maharaj says, how can I at that time, I can think of, I cannot. I cannot. Suspenseful. Huh? Bhajanam kutaste. What sort of bhajan I'll do at that time? I am healthy now. I am now thinking of, please, please, let death come now. Please take my life here now. I'm thinking. Huh? Mata smriti jnanam apahanam cha. Isn't it? You cannot do this thing. Yes, when death will come, I'll think. No, Baba. You cannot do such. Mata smriti jnanam apahanam cha. From me comes remembrance, forgetfulness, and knowledge. If Paramatma will never make you remember, how can you remember? Huh? Can you? No. So how can Paramatma make you remember? Unless you are thinking of Krishna and Narayana always with love, only he can. Do you understand? And Mahaprabhu gives that prema. Gopi prema, Radha prema, the highest thing. Do you understand? Not to forget every moment. Aharnisa bala Krishna sinta havadani. Huh? Aharnisa chinta Krishna bala havadani. Ki jagarani, ki sayane, ki va bhojane. Huh? Day and night, 24 hours. Think of Krishna and utter his name. In waking condition, sleeping condition, even at the time of taking food. Don't forget Krishna even for a moment. That's Mahaprabhu's instruction. Huh? That is highest thing he is giving. And this human life is meant for this. Manusyamarthadamanityamarthya turnam datetana patedana mrityu javat nisraya sayo visayo khalu sarvatrasya. As long as this human body is not died, do you understand? Body is there. Death has not come. Do you understand? Don't miss a moment. Don't forget Krishna even for a moment. Do you understand? Nisraya sayo visaya khalu sarvatrasya. This material enjoyment, visaya sukha. Do you understand? It is available everywhere in every species of life. Isn't it? Even a worm in the straw enjoys sex. Huh? Gets sensual enjoyment. And getting human birth, if you do like that, kruminam kyadantaram, what difference is there between the worm in the stool and yourself? Hello? Huh? Huh?
He's a head coach.
Huh? Kruminam kyadantaram. Huh? What difference there? Huh? Between a stool and the worm in the stool and you getting really achieved human birth. If you are engaged in eating, sleeping, defending, and mating, huh? Vishaya Subha, huh? Then it says, Nisraya Saya Visaya Khalu Sarvatrasya. Sarvatra, everywhere, without any effort, it is coming to you. Sughanga Indriyankang Rajan Surge Naraka Evacha. Huh? 11th canto. Sughanga Indriyankang Rajan Surge Naraka Evacha. Huh? Sarvatra labhyate daivad jatha dukhanga jatnata. Isn't it? Avdut says to Jadurajan, it's Avdut Jadurajan Samvada, 11th canto. Do you follow? Isn't it? Srimad Bhagavatam. O Rajan, O Jadurajan, Avdut says, this sukham indriyakam, this sense enjoyment, do you understand, is available in hell as well as in the heaven. Swargam narake. Huh? Is available. Without any effort. Jatha dukham ajatnata. Huh? Does anybody want some dukha? Suffering? You don't want. Why it is coming to you? Huh? It is already allotted to you. Do you understand? It's already allotted to sukha dukha. Sukha dukha, happiness and distress, already allotted in this material world. You have done some pious activity, punya karma, some sukha comes, happy. And done sinful activity, dukha comes. Suffering, distress. Do you understand? It's always. Nobody will take it away from it. It cannot be increased or decreased. Whatever allotted will come to you. You understand? If you are toiling very hard like an ass to get more material comfort. But what happens? What is allotted only that will come. No more, no less. You don't want dukha, still it comes because similarly, jatha dukham ajatnata. Without any effort of dukhas, though we don't want as dukha, suffering, distress comes to us. Similarly, indra sukha, material enjoyment will come to us. Without any effort, why are you making effort for it? You should make effort for that. For that achievement of that 50 Purusartha, Supreme Purusartha, Krishna Prema, for which this human body, birth is meant. Do you understand? This is teaching. Sadhu Shastra. Do you understand? The Mahaprabhu came, he gave the highest thing. Become mad. Chant Hare Krishna, dance. Be intoxicated. Be intoxicated with that mellow coming out, Namamrita. Nectarian mellow coming out from the holy name. Test it, release it, become intoxicated best. Make your life successful. This life is meant for this thing. Thank you. Yes.
If I don't make any endeavor to achieve a better happiness, my wife will complain that I'm not taking care of the family.
You should understand that. You wives should also understand that thing. What is the purpose of this human birth? Purpose of human birth is to get Krishna Prema, get Krishna. Jiver Swarupa hoy Krishner Nitya Dasa. That is your Swarup, constitutional position, that you are eternal servant of Krishna. That means Krishna is the only enjoyer. Jiva cannot be enjoyer. A builder, Ahankar Vimudatma, a builder soul thinks so that I am enjoyer, but he cannot be. Krishna is the only enjoyer. You have to be enjoyed by him. You give enjoyment to Krishna. Then you will get. Krishna means everything. Do you understand? If Krishna is pleased, Krishna is satisfied. Jiva is not enjoyer. Krishna is the only enjoyer. And your duty is to give enjoyment to Krishna. Give him pleasure, give him happiness, give him satisfaction. That's nothing for me. You are to be enjoyed by Krishna. Your wife will to be enjoyed by Krishna. She is Krishna Dasi. Don't think that she is an object of enjoyment of yours. Don't think so. She is an object of enjoyment of yours. No. Mistaken, you are mistaken. You are misunderstanding. Do you understand? You are Krishna Dasi, is Krishna Dasi. She is to be enjoyed by Krishna, not by you. But you think what? Why have I accepted a wife? Huh? Upastha jehu bahumannamana. Prahlad Maharaj says, 7th canto. She has come to give me pleasure to my palate, to my genital. Yes. Upastha jiva. Upastha means genital, jiva means tongue. She'll prepare nice dishes, serve me, sitting beside me, fanning. My dear husband, please taste it. How is it? Please taste. Something, give more, something more. Taste, how nice. Very nice. Joking, smiling. Kadham priyaya anukampitaya sangam rahasya ruchirasta mantran. How can I forget all these things? Smiling face of my wife, his jokings, his guests, her jokings, her gestures, her smiling. Huh? How can I forget? They're always coming to my mind. What is the thought of Krishna Baba? And little kids are there. Sisunang karanang. Little kids, broken languages, just started speaking. Mommy, daddy, don't do. So sweet to hear. So sweet to hear. Kalakarana, Sisunang Kalakarana. Prahlad Maharaj says in Bhagavata Baba, how can I forget? Upastha jehum bahumanyamana. She has come to give pleasure to my palate and genital. But you should understand. She is not object of enjoyment of yours. She should be enjoyed by Krishna. Krishna Dasi, Krishna is the enjoyer. You would be enjoyed by Krishna, she would be enjoyed by Krishna. You should understand. This is her. Krishna will be happy. You understand? Gour Kishodas Babaji said, one of his followers was Sambhu Babu. Name is Sambhu Babu. He got married. Then he came to Gour Kishodas Babaji. Babaji is Paramahansa, always in absorbed. You understand? So those who were sitting beside him, Sambhu Babu came and paid obeisances. One of the devotees sitting said, Babaji Maharaj, Sambhu Babu has come and he is married now. Do you follow? Gour Keshav Babu was, oh, Sambhu Babu married. Bhala. Yes, very good, very good. Then he said, Sambhu Babu, you should understand. Your wife, to whom you are married, she is Krishna Dasi. She is to be enjoyed by Krishna, not by you. Huh? A Vaishnava should be served, Vaishnavi should be served. You should serve her. You should take her remnants. Alas. Gour Kishodas Babaji said.
Well, I have my house, and the philosophy is very nice. I understand the philosophy very nicely, but on my house, I have my mortgage payments, and if I don't work hard, then the bank will take it away. So,
Work hard for Krishna. It's Krishna's property, Krishna's house. Janasya mohoyam aham mameti. Ato griha khetra sutapta biteir. Janasya mohoyam aham mameti. Huh? Griha, this house is mine. Khetra, landed property is mine. Huh? Griha khetra sutta, son is mine, wife is mine. Apta, friends are mine. Family members are mine. Bita, bank balance is mine. Huh? I am mine. It's Janasya moho, delusion. So, Everything belongs to Krishna. Krishna is the proprietor. One who has property is proprietor. You have no property, thinking, I am proprietor. Taking Krishna's property, stealing, criminal mentality. Great criminal you are. Huh? Great criminal. Taking Krishna's property, saying, I am mine. Huh? No property, saying proprietor. Is more delusion. Everything Krishna's. Krishna is Vishwambhara who maintains whole universe. If are constantly attached to his service, loving offering, loving service, is there any deficit? No deficit at all. Krishna means Purna Brahma, completely full. And gets completely full. How will there be deficit? Huh? Huh? No, not at all. Yes. Yes, mother. Mm.
Had 10 children.
Mm?
He had 10 children,
Yes.
and he, in his prayers of Saranagati,
Mm.
he converted everything into Vaikuntha by realizing that everything was Krishna's good where he stood with his children and right.
Yes. He taught us Saranagati, Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Yes. He taught us this thing. This Vaishnava Acharya. Yes. Then what is your question?
I was ready to ask you if that's possible for the devotees of this time to take that.
Why not? Why not? This is Mahaprabhu's movement. This is Bhakti Vinoda Dhara. Isn't it? We say Bhakti Vinoda Dhara. Why not? If you take what teachings of Bhakti Vinod Thakur, why not? Yeah, you are not accepting, you're not accepting this teaching, not practicing in your life. How can you get? Huh? Yes. Guaranteed. It is guaranteed. Yes. It's guaranteed. But you should accept it as it is. Don't twist it. Don't add any deliberation to it. As it suits, I'll do it. It is not good for me. I'll leave this person. Ardha kukuti naya. Accepting half chicken. That logic, ardha kukuti. Huh? This chicken, the hen, huh? Gives egg backside. Eats from the front side. I want egg backside, not front side. Cut it half. The backside. Don't do such thing, mother. Ardha kukuti naya. Do you follow my language, mother? Try to understand me. My language, faulty language. Please excuse me. Meaning means accept in toto, complete, not half. Do you follow me? Yes. What Bhaktivinoda Thakur has said, accept completely, as it is. Only accept half portion and reject half portion, that won't do. That is Ardha Kukuti Nyaya. Logic. Accept half of the chicken and not half. The back side I accept, the front side you will eat, I won't accept. That's not. Do you follow me now? Yes. Why not? Why not? It's guaranteed. Yes. All right. Thank you. I have. Yes. Any question? All right.
Let's say, because everybody has a certain amount of happiness and distress by destiny, right?
Yes.
So let's say somebody had a lot of material sense enjoyment by destiny, right?
Yes.
But then they figured that all this enjoyment was becoming a hindrance on the path of
Bhakti.
spiritualization.
Yes.
So they wanted to give it up.
Mm.
But wouldn't that still be there because of the destiny? Wouldn't it still be there?
I